Hi guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be using the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel and the Carol's Daughter Born to Repair hair oil, and this combination is literally like magic. It's so funny that they're not even from the same line, the same hair company, but they work so well together. So as you can see, I'm sectioning off my hair, spraying each section with water. Then I'm going to use my detangling brush to detangle my hair. And then after I detangle my hair, I'm going to go in with the styling gel. And this gel has no alcohol, it has no carbomer, no crunch, and no flaking. And this is designed to seek both moisture and hold. And I am literally in love with this gel. It's extremely moisturizing, and I love a gel that also adds moisture and doesn't flake because, hello, it has great hold, but your hair is still healthy, it's still shiny, it's still moisturized. We love it. And then I'm going to go in with the Born to Repair Reviving Oil with shea butter and basu oil, and this oil has no silicones. And when you apply this oil on top of the gel, it just blends so seamlessly. My hair is shiny, it's moisturized, and my curls are popping. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it on up, and I'm just gonna repeat those steps. So now I'm all done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow to show you the final results. Okay, so it is the next day, and I'm going to take my Carol's Daughter Born to Repair hair oil, rub it in my hands, and apply it to my braids just so that it doesn't have extra frizz when I unravel my braids. And to be honest with you, my hair is probably about 65% dry right now. I honestly need about 2 full days for my hair to 100% dry if I am letting my hair air dry. Now I'm going to take my EDGEffect edge control and I'm going to apply it to my edges. Okay, so here is the final look. I am in love with this combo and I urge you guys to try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. And I will see you in the next video.